Well, we're just getting ready to leave this morning. I did not get a very good night's sleep because it was very, very windy. Wasn't so much windy in the campsite, very, very windy in the trees. And whenever there was a big sustained gust, it would blow quite hard in the campsite. And we replaced all our guylines with these little skinny 1.8 mil guylines, and the line locks that were on this brand new tent were not quite holding them tight enough, so they were slipping out. So I had to do some modifications to stop the tent from falling down in the middle of the night, which was interesting. But we do have these new style line lock replacements. I can't remember what they're called, but we've got half of the guy points have got the new style ones and half the old ones. So the new style ones are holding perfectly well. I'll put a link down in the description for them because they look quite good. We'll see how they work. We're going to replace all of the old line locks with the new style ones, so we'll see. But we are hiking back to the car today, which is at what's it called?
Tidal River.
Tidal River. Yeah, it's supposed to be the wettest day, but I can just see blue sky up there. So maybe it'll get rainier later. We'll see. Coming in, last chance. Well, it was a lovely trek today. We thought it was going to be miserable weather, but it was absolutely glorious and very windy at times, really, really windy along the beach. Yeah, just lovely hiking, mostly in the sun. And we've got back to the car now. We're actually camping at the place where we parked the car. And we're in the back of the car, and the heavens have just opened literally the minute we got the car set up for camping. So we are very, very happy that everything worked out. How was the hike, Siyuan?
It was really pretty and so much easier than Pakistan.
Ah, yeah, it was so nice to have a easy hike for once after the misadventures of Pakistan. So next stop is going to be Nepal, where we're going to be hiking around the Kanchenjunga area and also maybe the Dhaulagiri area. We're not quite sure what we're going to do yet, but we'll see.